Axon Active is an offshore software development company. We deliver high-quality software development, testing, Agile coaching, and ICT services globally. Established in 2008, Axon Active has continuously grown more than 600 members in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City, Da Nang, Con Tha, and our company philosophy is we do what we say and we say what we do. For over 10 years of success, we built our Agile culture based on 4 core values: reliability, transparency, honesty, and passion. We believe that once a partner, always a companion. At Axon Active, long-term partnership is our top priority. Our top management and teams commit to the sustainable growth of your business and long-term success of your products. What makes us different is our people. We never stop improving ourselves to provide better quality and resources for customers. Our business values are built upon the effort of every person in the company. We value our employees, reward the contribution, and develop a dynamic working environment. Together, we grow and succeed with you. In the spirit